Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be teaching you tips and tricks on how to get your lips looking nice and big and juicy. So I know lip fillers are like really big right now. I have naturally pretty big lips, but a lot of people want to know how to make their lips look bigger and hacks and things like that, and this is the place for that. I have some tips and tricks to go from your lips looking not so good to being really nice and juicy. I've gotten comments with doing these hacks saying, did you get lip fillers? And obviously I have not. So here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so this is what my lips look like with absolutely no product on them. They look totally fine, but nothing to go crazy about, you know what I mean? We want them to look nice and juicy now. So my first step is definitely to put lip balm on. Lip balm really hydrates the lips and makes them look nice and plump. It also gets rid of any lines or anything that needs to be exfoliated off. Our next step is definitely exfoliating the lips. I love to do this with a washcloth. Obviously, everyone pretty much has a washcloth or a towel laying around. Just rub that against your lips and you are good to go. Next, we have lip liner. I love picking a lip liner that is a few shades darker than my natural lips or the shade of lipstick that I'm going for. So I really define that outer edge by overlining a tiny bit, but nothing too extreme. We don't want to look like we have ginormous lips that are very unnatural. We want to just enhance our natural lips. So I like to define the outer edge, and then I will go back in and kind of fan in the inner part so that the lipstick that we're going to put over top will blend nicely on top of it. Next, we're just going to put on any lipstick that we chose to use that day. This one is just from Ofra. It is a liquid lipstick. I really like liquid lipsticks. You can use a regular lipstick. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you are blending the lip liner and the lipstick together so you don't have any harsh lines. We want it to be a nice gradient. Now we are going to put a light shade in the center of the lips. This is just a few shades lighter than the main shade that we used. This is going to draw the attention to the center of the lips, making them look nice and round. It's basically like highlighting the cheekbones. It's really going to emphasize the center, and with the darker shade on the outside, it's going to look like a contour. So just kind of think of it how you want your lips to look. You want the center to look nice and round and juicy. Lastly, we are going to use lipstick. This is from e.l.f. and it has tiny shimmers in it to really, again, highlight those areas of the lips. I like to put it anywhere. You can put it in the center, but gloss in general is really going to highlight the lips and make them look nice and round and juicy. And this one is honestly one of my favorites ever. So I hope you enjoyed those tips and tricks on how to make your lips look bigger. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye.